Hello friends, myself Chetan Tagore. Today we learn Standard 10th English Medium, chapter number 8. First, start exercise 8.4 before learn some and understand some equation of trigonometry ratio. For right angle triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A and angle C are acute angle. So for triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is a Pythagoras theorem applied, we get this equation. Now divide by AC square on both sides. So AC square divided by AC square is equal to AB square divided by AC square plus BC square divided by AC square. Now AC cancel, so the answer is 1. 1 equal to, now divide AB divided by AC for angle A. AB means adjacent side and AC means opposite side. So adjacent divided by opposite is a value of cos. So in place of AB and AC we take cos n square. Therefore according to angle A, so we can write a n square, therefore cos square A. Now BC divided by AC according to angle A, BC is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So the opposite of hypotenuse is an equation of sine. Therefore sine square A square and according to angle A. So we get equation sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. First equation we created then. Now in similar way we also created for 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and third equation 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. Total 3 equations in similar way we have to created by using this method. So another equation will be created by this main equation. So we can say that here sine square A subject sine square, therefore 1 minus cos square A. So only sine A, it means both sides taking square root. Therefore sine A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So sine A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. In similar way, cos A is equal to under root 1 minus sine square A, and cos square A both sides taking square, therefore 1 minus sine square A. So many equations created by using this equation. In similar way on the other side, 1 plus tan square is equal to sec. So sec square is equal to 1 square tan square. Therefore tan square is equal to sec square theta minus 1, sign change. So tan theta is equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. In similar way, sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square. So sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. In similar way here, cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square. So only cos theta is equal to under root cot square theta. Now subject on cot square, therefore answer is cosec square theta minus 1. Both sides taking square root. So cot theta is equal to under root cosec square theta minus 1. So 3 equations created by using this equation and another 3 equations created by using this equation. Now use all equations in exercise 8.4 and solve question and evaluate value of trigonometric ratio. Exercise exercise 8.1, question number 1. Total 3 terms have given. Sin A, tan A and sec A. Value of these 3 trigonometric ratios in a term of cot A. It means sin converted into cot A, tan converted into cot, and also sec converted into cot. So first start with sin A. Sin means sin directly converted into cot. So sin cot relation is here 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. So first we have to convert sin into cosec and then cosec converted into cot. So sin means 1 upon cosec. So 1 upon cosec A. Now cosec A is equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus cot square theta. So answer is 1 upon, in place of cosec A, under root 1 plus cot square A. So the value of sin A in a form of 1 cot square A here, so we can write A. Now tan theta. Tan is a reciprocal of cot, so directly we have to given value in form of cot. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Next, given term is sec A. So sec in a term of convert into term of cot. So cot have two relation with cosec and with tan. It means reciprocal of tan is cot. So sec A is equal to, we can take sec A is equal to 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square theta using this equation. Sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. Now in place of tan we can take 1 upon cot. So 1 upon cot square theta. Now LCM of both term cot square theta is LCM. So answer is cot square theta plus 1 is equal to sec A. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to sec A. So we can take value of A. Now question number 2. In a form of sec A, it means all trigonometric ratio find in a form of sec A. So start with sin A. How to convert sin into sec? So first we have to check sec relation. Sec only relation with tan. So sin first we converted into cosec and then cosec is converted into cot and then reciprocal of cot to given tan and then after converted into sec. So sin A means 1 upon cosec, sin A means 1 upon cosec A. Now in place of cosec A we have to take 1 plus under root tan square. In place of sec we have to take 1 plus cot square A. Now 1 plus cot square is equal to sec A. Both sides taking under root. Now find cot converted into tan. So next, cot means 1 plus 1 upon tan square. 1 upon tan square A. Now LCM tan square A given term is tan square A plus 1. Now value of tan square A plus 1 is equal to sec square A. So in place of 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square is equal to under root. Answer is sec square A divided by under root tan square. Tan square means sec square A minus 1 using this equation. So in place of sec square A minus 1. So the form of sec A we have to simplify that. Multiply by another term and remove under root and sec cancel. So answer is sec a divided by under root sec square a minus 1. In similar way, we have to convert it cos cot a tan a and cosec a. So the cos is a directly value reciprocal of sec. So one cos is equal to 1 upon sec a. Now cot, first cot converted into tan and then converted into sec. So is a directly value reciprocal. Now cot converted into tan a and tan a converted into sec a. In similar way, tan directly relation tan a is equal to under root sec square a minus 1. Now cosec, so first cosec converted into cot in place of cot. Cot means reciprocal of tan. So now tan is converted into sec. So first cos converted into cot a converted into tan a, and then tan a converted into sec a. Using this trigonometric ratio and this equation, you have to solve question 1 and remains question 2. So thank you friends.